Aloha and welcome to 3-Minute Astronomy, a look at the vast worlds beyond our Earth. I'm Steve McGahee, your NASA Solar System Ambassador. Over millions of years, there is compelling evidence that Venus and Mars have undergone drastic and devastating climate change. There are conflicting opinions about scientific observations confirming our Earth's climate change over the past 100 years. Sobering evidence collected by NASA and affiliate missions reveal drastic changes in climate right here at home on our planet Earth. Now, based on the comparison of atmospheric samples contained in ice cores and more recent direct measurements, evidence reveals that atmospheric carbon dioxide has increased dramatically since the Industrial Revolution. Ancient evidence can also be found in tree rings, ocean sediments, coral reefs, and layers of sedimentary rocks. These markers reveal that current warming is occurring roughly 10 times faster than the average rate of past ice age recovery warming. The planet's average surface temperature has risen about 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. The oceans have absorbed much of this increased heat, with the top 2,300 feet of oceans showing warming of more than 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit since 1969. Global sea level rose about 8 inches in the last century. The rate in the last 2 decades, however, is nearly double that of the last century and is increasing slightly every year. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the acidity of the surface waters of the oceans has increased by about 30%. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment show Greenland lost an average of 286 billion tons of ice per year between 1993 and 2016, while Antarctica lost about 127 billion tons of ice per year during the same period. The rate of Antarctica ice mass loss has tripled in the last decade. Satellites' observations reveal that the amount of spring snow cover in the northern hemisphere has decreased over the past 5 decades, and that the snow is melting earlier. The number of record high temperature events in the United States has been increasing, while the number of record low temperature events has been decreasing since 1950. The U.S. has also witnessed increasing numbers of intense rainfall events. Scientific evidence on global warming cannot be disputed. Thank you for joining us today in discussing climate change as evidenced by NASA's scientific observations. Until we return, you can learn more about NASA and climate change by going to climate.nasa.gov/evidence. This has been 3-Minute Astronomy with your NASA Solar System Ambassador, Steve McGahee. Looking up.